Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, Mamasagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ang nagsasabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 17 hanggang April 23 for the sign of Virgo. So Virgo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Virgo ang ating mahahagilan. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalong-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig na gumapaw na biyayang manumbalik sa inyo. So guys, let's see what is the messages for you ng ating angel spirit. Angel Spirit, give me an information. Let's see what is the messages sa'yo ng ating Angel Spirit guides. Tuklasin at alamin natin may himayin. There's a temperance. This is a perfect timing or something divine guidance. No, ginagabayan ka ng ating Angel Spirit dito na you need to pay attention. There's a solid foundation rather. No? Kumaga mayroong bukang pinapalakas dito, there's some flower that represent the perseverance, and because there is some represent empowerment, no? Talagang may kalakasan. There's the sun, nag-represent the success, no? At sinasabi dito with the balance with the cups, no? Kailangan maging balanse ka sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. There's a king of swords with a mental clarity. There's an information dito na kumaga magiging wise at magiging practical ka dito. So, kailangan mong putulin ang mga bagay na alam mong hindi nagbibigay at hindi nagsiserve sa iyo sa huli. Additional messages. And because there is the Ten of Pentacles with a long-term success with long-term investment, with a financial security. So, this is the moment na mukhang unti-unting lalakas na ang iyong finances, no? And because this is the Emperor, being mature enough and being grounded, dapat alam mo sa sarili mo na kung ano yung pangahawakan mo. Additional messages. And because there is an Ace of Pentacles, wow! This is a big opportunity and a big money coming in for you. May malaking pera, may malaking blessings na papasok sa iyo. The Eight of Swords is full of negativities. Kailangan mo lang makawala, makalaya sa mga negatibo na nasa paligid mo. No, it's either negative thoughts, negative intuitions, or mga pumapasok sa isipan mo sa madaling salita. No? The Temperance represent the Eight of Cups. So there's a letting go. No, may mga bagay na hayaan mo mangyayari. Parang fully feel it naturally, parang gano'n, no? Kumbaga may mga bagay na hayaan mo mangyari, wag mong pilitin, wag mong pressure, no? The King of Swords represent the Four of Cups. Re-evaluate or the-analyze, no? May mga bagay na kailangan pag-isipan, may mga bagay na kailangan mo pagnilayan, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mong alamin at tuklasin at maging wais, hindi pwede maging agresibo, at hindi ka pwede maging padalos-dalos. Kailangan alam mo yung kalalabasan or there's a possibility. So, let's see. What is the Ten of Pentacles? So, this is the Star card. So, this is the healing, happiness, and miracle. So, ibig sabihin talaga dito may pangmatagalan, no? Ito yung magdadala sa ng malaking pasabog. So, ibig sabihin dito, you need to heal yourself from what? From a broken situations. So, let's see what is the Emperor. The Emperor represents the Three of Wands. So, waiting for a ship or waiting for a soul. May mga bagay na hinihintay ka dito. No, it's I think a result, and then there's a trouble. And because be mature enough, huwag mo masyadong pinipressure yung sarili mo. At marunong ka magantay, no? The Ace of Pentacles represent the Magician. So, there's a manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na manifest. May mga bagay na unting abot kamay mo na. No? This is the big opportunity for you na maaring malasap mo at matamo mo. So there's an Eight of Swords with a Six of Swords. A transition ng paglaya, no, sa mga negativities, toxicities, no? Even sa situation mo, there's an unhealthy situation Pero there's a transition. No? Ibig sabihin, makakalaya ka talaga. So, let's see. So, either mayroon ditong, kumaga may lalaya dito na mahal mo sa buhay na nakulong. No? Mayroon ako na sense dito. And because September is the 8 of Cups. So, there's the 8 of Pentacles. So, there's a focus on being dedicated sa ginagawa mo. No? Ay, hindi na tawag natin na perfect timing. The more na, kumaga, nakafocus tayo sa ginagawa natin, the more siyang ibibigay sa atin. Huwag ka lang maging greedy or huwag ka lang magmadali or huwag mo lang i-pressure or huwag mo lang mag-decision agad-agad, no? Kumbaga, ayaan mo siyang mag-fulfill. So, the King of Swords, because the Four of Cups represent the King of Wands, so there's a stability and control. There's a visions, no? Kumbaga, nakikita mo na kagad yung magiging posibilidad. At nakikita mo na kagad yung magiging resulta. So, let's see what is the Ten of Pentacles and the Star card. So, there's a Knight of Swords. Nagkakaroon ka din sa anxiety and sleepless night not because of your negativities. No? Kumbaga, there's a lot of boundaries. And of course, there's a lot of blockages there. No? Kailangan alam mo kung paano mo magiging balanse. This is the blessing, no? At the same time, merong biglang papasok sa isip mo na certainly, hindi mo inaadya, ganon. Kumbaga, kailangan mong alisin at buksain yung mga negatibo na pumapasok sa isipan mo. Now, let's see what is the Emperor and the Three of Wands. So, there's a Seven of Cups. So, see? Confusion. So, it's either there's opportunities. Pero there's an information dito na kailangan mature ka sa mga decisions sa lahat ng gagawin mo. Kasi maraming taong susubok at guguluhin ka. Lilinlangin ka, titignan ko hanggang sa katatatag, hanggang sa ang kalalaman. So, let's see. What is the Ace of Pentacles and the Magician? Represent the King of Pentacles. So, there's a practicality and security. Kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung grounds mo. Alam mo dapat sa sarili mo kung paano yung pangahawakan mo. No? Kumbaga, alam mo yung opportunity na papasok na to, and alam mo kung paano siya magkakaroon ng expansion and growth. No? So, let's see what is the Eight of Swords and the Six of Swords. And because there's the Seven of Wands. No? You are being protected. No? Protektado ka dito ng mga gabay mo, no? There's a gabay or guidance. At sinasabi dito, kailangan mo pakawalan yung sarili mo sa mga negativities. You are being, you have spiritual abilities. No, this is a psychic abilities rather. No, there's an intuition, instinct rather, ganyan. Kumbaga may mga bagay dito, kailangan lakas ang mapakiramdam mo. Protection mo yung sarili mo, laban sa sarili mo din. At the same time sa mga tao na sa paligid mo. Negative thoughts kasi yun. So, let's see. What is additional messages about naman sa career? So, are for the outcome. So, for the outcome is for the near future, guys, ha? So, there's a Seven of Pentacles for harvest time. So, this is the moment na unti-unti ka makakakuha ng mga pinaghirapan mo. And at the same time, there's a Four of Swords by your intuitions. No, makinig ka lang sa intuitions mo, there's a strike code, lakasan mo ang loob mo, maging matapang ka, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba. Ito yung sinasabi na, let go of your fear now. Additional messages about naman sa career. Sa career mo, there's a Ten of Swords, maraming backstabbing, maraming betrayal, maraming impostor, maraming traitor. There's a Two of Wands by choices. No, choice mo yan. Choice mo yan kung magtitiwala ka pa rin kahit binudulat niloko ka na. At the same time, there's a Wheel of Fortune, there's a good luck. No? Pagdating sa career mo, ay pagdating sa finances mo, tiikot ay kapalaran at maaaring papabor na sa'yo ang sitwasyon. At lalakas ng iyong finances mo. So, let's see additional messages about sa love life. So, there's a 12 cups with a partnership. Wow! So, may taong darating na taong mamahalin ka, pero there's a Seven of Swords, there's a sneakers or cheating lying on you. Mag-ingat ka, dalawang person to na mag-aalay sa ng pag-ibig, isa sinungaling at isa totoo at tapat. Choose wisely, guys. So, let's see what is additional messages about sa health. So, there's a high fight for a separation or something religious factor or religious belief. Now, to say that there's an Ace of Wands with a new plans. So, may mga nararamdaman ka ditong some of nowhere na hindi mo ma-explain, no? Kumbaga may mga nararamdaman ka dito na parang sineset aside mo yung medication. No? Kumbaga tingin mo spiritual, no? Kailangan mo pa rin i-clarify yan. So, kailangan mo magpa-check up, magpa-laboratory, kailangan mo magpa-x-ray. Pag walang nakita, walang findings, saka ka mag-proceed for healing and healing session for spiritual. Ganun yon, no? Pero depende pa rin sa situation. So, let's see, guys, no? What is additional messages for magical fairy messages? For magical fairy messages, represent what? Ito na. And there is a new career. Wow! Pasabog. May bagong career dito na papasok magdadala sa'yo ng successful direction. So, wow. As sabi, and do some research, no? Kailangan mo tuklasin at alamin kung ano yung compatibility or compatible sa'yo. No? Suitable. Kumbaga ako, tutugma, no? Sa kakayanan at kaalaman mo. Diba? At syempre, kailangan enhance mo yung abilities and core skills mo. Not to make you grow. Not to make you expand. So, let's see what is the Yin and Yang Oracle card. For Yin and Yang Oracle card, nagre-represent to guys ng empathy for a breakthrough. No? Sa madaling salita, magtatagumpay ka ba din dito? No? At sinasabi dito ng baraha doon sa confusion. See? Maraming gumugulo dito. Isa pa dito yung illusion or iskaisipan mo. No? At the same time, there's a third party. Oh my God. Napitin ka ng mga third party. There's an integration with yun, no? May pagtatagpo, no? Maaari magbalikan kayo ng minahal mo dati or yung taong niloko ka, no? Balikan ka at lokohin ka ulit or either mahalin ka, balikan ka para mahalin ka. So, let's see. What is the angel's answer? The angel's answer represents the success. No, magiging successful ka dito at the end of the time. And there's an unlikely, may mga bagay na hindi mo nagugustuhan or may mga bagay na hindi mo dapat ginagawa. At the end of the time, there's a perfect timing. So, may mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo in the perfect time, in the perfect place, no? In the perfect direction. So, let's see what is the Romance Angels. Pagdating sa Romance Angels, there's a flirt. No, kailangan mong humarot. Kailangan mong harutin. No? And there is express your love. See, ipakita mo yung pag-ibig mo. Hindi ko sa sinasabing desperada ka, pero ipakita mo na nagmamahal ka. No? Ganun dapat. So, let's see what is Archangel Michael messages. And go forward fearlessly. I told you so. Diba? Magpatuloy ka na walang kinakatakutan. Diba? And because there is use your imagination and you see the answer. Gamitin mo na intuition at makikita mo ang kasagutan sa mga iyong katanungan. So, let's see. And because there's an information with, forgive yourself to done nothing wrong, no? Patawarin mo yung sarili mo, wala ka namang ginawang mali, no? Wala kang ginawang masama. May mga bagay na talaga nagmahal ka, kaya ka tinaratado at niloko. Pero, deserve mo naman ang mahalin, diba? Kung pagdating sa finances, wala namang magiging problema kung hindi ka lang nasaktan, no? Kaya na parang bilang nag-down yung eksena mo dahil nawala ka sa focus. At the same time, there's a communication is the key, no? Isa pa dito ay magkakaroon kayo ng communication and a new romantic cycle begin. At magsisimula pa ni bagong cycle pagdating sa buhay pag-ibig. Archangel Raphael, ipakita mo sa akin kung anong gusto mong mensahe sa ating mga Virgo signs. So, there's an organic foods, no? Kailangan mo na fruit and vegetable dyan, guys, ha? And there's an exercise is the key. So, kailangan mo rin na exercise, tamang diet, and of course, stretching, no? And of course, massage. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. Advocate, I told you so. Impostor, plastic, manloloko, mag-ingat ka. Now, there's an expansion. Papalawakin ang iyong kaalaman, ang iyong karanasan, no? Papalawakin yan. So, let's see additional messages. And there's a book, diba? Kumbaga, chapter mo na to. No? Binabasa na yung chapter mo, kaya galingan mo. And there's a healer. So, some of you kailangan nyo ng healer. Or you are become a healer. No, magiging healer ka someday. And there's a crystal. So some of you, there's a gemstone or something, a natural stone to enhance or something, or have a connections, no, with the crystal stones and gemstones na makakatulong for healing energy. So let's see additional messages. And there is an honesty, no? Honesty is the best policy, no? Ang pagiging tapat hindi lang sa ibang tao kundi sa sarili mo. No, and there's that card. This is a transformation and a judgment for a wake-up call. You need to do something. And you need to pay attention, no, sa lahat na nasa paligid mo. Iwasan mo magpanggap, maging totoo ka, tanggapin mo sa sarili mo yung mga bagay na kung ano man na meron ka. No? Hindi mo kailangang magkunwari, hindi mo kailangang magpanggap. No, and there is an information with the lifting the veil. So, anything unaligned must go. So, see? there's a question in everything, no? Marami kang tinatanong sa sarili mo, and of course, sa paligid mo, or sa nangyayari sa'yo. No, hayaan mo nga, mapakita at mailagay ka sa tamang mong kalalagyan. There's a, remember, by the salt line, no? Kung baga sinasabi dito, there's a destiny line and then there's a fated life, no? Talaga may mga bagay na ibibigay sa'yo talaga, na talaga nakatadhana talaga, no? There is an empathic starseed with absorbing what not yours. No, may mga bagay na, kumbaga, matatanggap mo at may mga bagay na hindi mo matatanggap kung talaga hindi para sa iyo. Additional messages. Angel Spirit, give me information po. And because there is an information with the astral travel. So some of you may kakayanan ka, no? There's a spiritual. At the same time, there's a spiritual activation. No, nag-a-activate na about sa spirituality mo, ang kakayanan at kaalaman mo, at binibigyan ka ng kaliwanagan sa lahat na nangyayari sa iyo. This is the purification ng paglilinis, ang pag-alis, no, ng mga negatibo. At kaya pala there's a death card for a transformation. There's an ending at the same time. Parang meron akong sasabi dito na, parang meron ditong kumbaga, phoenix rising from the ashes, no? Kasi there's a fire. There's an energy. There is a second chakra, Archangel Uriel, about sa finances, no? Kumbaga, lalago at lalakas ang iyong finances. Let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quotes said, "Whatsoever shall do will all my Father which is the heaven, the same is in my brother and my sister and my mother." So, ibig sabihin dito, lahat daw ng mga ginagawa mo ay may kaakibat niya na kaparusahan kung ano man yung ginagawa mo sa magulang mo, sa pamilya mo, ay ganun din ang mangyayari sa iyo. So, ibig sabihin, maging mabuti ka sa lahat ng parte ng pamilya mo at magiging mabuti rin ng mga, kumbaga, susunod na henerasyon mo. Diba? Magpatawad at magbigay at ipagkaloob yung mga bagay na karapat-dapat. The angels number represent 0404 by slow down. So, may mga bagay na dahan-dahan lang. No, hindi naman niya minamadala at hindi yan agad-agad. So, sinasabi dito, pay close attention to the people in your life, your surroundings, and your physical health. Don't freak out. It's just a warning to be careful and awake to avoid any further issues. Communicate clearly and keep healthy boundaries. So, see? Kung magadahan-dahan lang dapat maging healthy at maging maganda ang takbo ng eksena, ang takbo ng kapaligiran at of course takbo ng buhay mo. Even sa love life and career, mag-set ka ng boundaries para hindi ka naapektuhan ng mga negativities around you. The synchronicities messages. The synchronicities messages for you is a faith, no? No, sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo. At sinasabi dito, there's a shaman, no? Shaman. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a power by God, by the power of the universe. No? Pinagkakalog sa'yo na kailangan mong, kumbaga, mag-devotion ka, parang nasa sense ko, there's a sorrow, no? Kumbaga, there's a losses. May mga bagay na nawala sa'yo and there's a sister. Na may kinalaman dito sa kapatid mo, ganto ganyan. No? Kumbaga, parang may pangungulila or something, may or there's a betrayal, very sister. No? May nagkaroon ng traidoran or sinungaling tong sister mo. And there's a letting go. At sinasabi dito guys na, today remembering that God is within me, that around me, I release myself to God's hands and regain my inner peace. I know God is providing me that which is the most beneficial for my soul. I know that God is sending angelic to help me face any difficulties that arise. I let go into God will, knowing the best yet to come. So see, kumbaga may mga bagay na kailangan mong hayaan, no? May mga bagay na kailangan mong pakawalan. Huwag mo masyado pinipressure yung sarili mo at huwag mo masyado pinipilit yung isang bagay na alam mong hindi pa pwede. No? Kumbaga, unfold it naturally. No? Gumagawa ka ng solusyon, gumagawa ka ng eksena, huwag mong pilitin. No? Kumbaga, parang sugat lang yan. Hayaan mo siyang gumaling. No? Kapag magaling na yan, mangangati na yan. So, ibig sabihin, pagaling na yon, no? Kaya ikaw ay heartbroken, kung ikaw ay nangangati na, no? Ibig sabihin, pagaling na ang sugat ng nakaraan. Ibig sabihin, magiging pilat na lang yan. So, guys, this is a weekly gabay for the month of April 17 hanggang April 23 for the sign of Virgo. So, Virgo, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lang makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!